Good day, Forex traders. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a brand new video for you. If you've been wondering how to deposit money into your Deriv account from Standard Bank, then this is the video for you. I'll take you through the steps to make this process as simple as possible. Stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any steps and lose your money. So let's dive right into the video. To deposit into your Deriv account from Standard Bank, you will first go to, on your mobile phone, you'll first go to the Deriv website. Okay, I got it in my bookmarks. Is the Deriv website. It's logging on. Okay, we'll just let it load completely so you can see how the Deriv website looks. This is my Traders Hub showing all my accounts. This is the Deriv main account. You don't trade on this. This is just where you deposit your money and then you'll transfer it into the trading account once it's deposited. But this is, for me, I got 31 cents US dollars in my Deriv account. I'm going to deposit. You can't trade with 31 cents. So I'm going to deposit. Choose deposit. Go to the cashier. Choose deposit. And I'm going to use bank. I'm going to deposit via bank wire. And I'm going to choose the OZO method. And over here, with this method, the minimum you can deposit is $5. But I'm going for $10. I like to deposit $10, so it's roughly around 190. It's actually 188.36, 188.40 actually is the exact amount for $10, 188.40. So I'll go next and confirming that I've chosen to deposit using OZO. And now it's gonna open up the window for me to log in to my bank, online banking, to make the payment. To make payments with the OZO method and the ZingPay, you log on to your bank, the bank that you use, to your online profile. There are other methods to make payments, but for now I'm just showing you the way to use your Standard Bank account. Sorry, it takes a little bit of time. It's still loading. Okay, what I've noticed here, I forgot that with this. Let me look. There's the Standard Bank option. Okay, now you log on with your login details. And then I'm gonna put my password in. Log on. Now I've just logged on. It's asking me to say what I want to save. It sent an OTP to my phone. It always sends an OTP. This is the number you have to type in to confirm, 24149. Okay. Okay. Now it's asking me which account I'm going to deposit from. I'm going to use my Access account. Deposit of 188.40. It's sending another OTP to my phone. This is the new OTP, 80534. 80534. To make sure. Confirm. It's finalizing my payment now. My payments were successful. So I've just deposited $10 into my Deriv account. This is the proof of the payment. And there's the proof. Now I've got $10.31 because I had 31 cents in my account. Now we can go back onto the Deriv website in order to get that $10 into my account. As you can see now, my new balance is $10.31. Now you go back to the cashier and you have to transfer it into your trading account. You have to, if you haven't created a trading account, you can watch one of my previous videos where I have showed you how to create a trading account and a demo account. Now that's my trading account that I use, and I'll have to transfer that $10. That's the main account on Deriv, to transfer it into my trading account. Transfer it into my trading account so I can trade with it. And that's it. Now it's in my trading account. I can go onto my MT5 app and begin trading. Thank you guys so much. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips. And I would also like to say thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any other trading topic you'd like to see me explained in the next videos, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Bye.